In this question, we need to find the coordinates of the turning point on the curve with equation y equals 9 plus 18x minus 3x squared. Now we have the graph of y equals 9 plus 18x minus 3x squared. We can write this in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And so changing the order around, y is equal to 9 plus 18x minus 3x squared is equivalent to y equals minus 3x squared plus 18x plus 9. Now to find the coordinates of the turning point on the curve, we need to complete the square. And so to start to complete the square, we need to factorise out the minus 3. And so we can say that y is equal to minus 3 multiplied by x squared minus 6x, and we can leave the plus 9 alone. Now we're going to have to use this rule in order to complete the square. We know that x squared minus 2ax is equal to x minus a all squared minus a squared, which sounds more confusing than it really is. Let's say that x squared minus 2ax is equivalent to x squared minus 6x, and so we can immediately see that the 2a is equal to 6. We said that this is equal to x minus a all squared minus a squared. So if 2a is equal to 6, we can say that a is equal to 3. And so if a is equal to 3, x minus a all squared minus a squared would be equal to x minus 3 all squared, take away 3 squared. We know that 3 squared is equal to 9, and so this will become x minus 3 all squared minus 9. And so we can see that x squared minus 6x becomes x minus 3 all squared, take away 9. Now the next step would be to multiply by minus 3. And so to expand this, we'll do minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 all squared, and then we'll do minus 3 multiplied by minus 9. Minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 all squared can just be written as minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 all squared. And now minus 3 multiplied by minus 9 would be equal to positive 27. And then we have the plus 9 at the end. We can simplify this further because 27 plus 9 is equal to 36. And so y is equal to minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 all squared plus 36. Now we're in the perfect position in order to find the turning point of the curve. And so we can use this rule to help us. If y is equal to x minus a all squared plus b, the turning point has the coordinates a, b. And so in our situation, we can ignore the minus 3 in front of the brackets. Now in our equation, a is equal to 3, and b is equal to 36. And so we can say that the turning point of our curve has the coordinates ab, which is equal to 3, 36. And so we've found that the coordinates of the turning point of the curve with equation y equals 9 plus 18x minus 3x squared is equal to 3, 36. Now this question is worth 4 marks. We get the first mark for factorising the minus 3 out of our equation. We get the second mark for our process to complete the square, and for saying that x squared minus 6x is equivalent to x minus 3 all squared minus 9. We get the third mark for fully completing the square, and for therefore saying that y is equal to minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 all squared plus 36. And we get the fourth and final mark for using this in order to find that the turning point of our curve has the coordinates 3, 36, allowing us to get the full 4 marks needed in this question.